Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll discuss about one of the benefits of supply chain management. We already know that supply chain management enables organization to run smarter with connected operations. One of the benefit is that it optimizes the manufacturing parameters for each product family, including make to stock, make to order, pull to order, configure to order, and engineer to order. Maybe this particular sentence bit confusing for you, so I'll break down the sentence and I'll explain each and every term that I have used here. So first you will discuss about the sentence that it optimizes manufacturing parameters for each product family. What does it actually mean? It means it set up the way to make each type of product, the best way to make each type of product. What does it actually mean? It means not every product is made the same way. Some are fast and simple, other are more slower and the complex. So this system helps companies choose the right method, choose the right machine, choose the right time, or set the right timings for each type of product, so nothing is wasted and everything runs smoothly. Let me give you one example, then this particular sentence will be more easier for you. I'll take here one example of the toy company. For the plastic toys, they make thousands item quickly, so the system set it up for the mass production. In another case, for a custom action figure, it might need special parts. So on that case, in this case, the system uses the customized process. So as you can, with this example, I hope you understood it very much clearly. Dynamics 365 helps pick the best setting for the product family, each product family, like setting different cooking times for different recipes. So it helps companies to choose the smartest way to make each product based on what it needs. Okay, now I'll go to the next part and I'll discuss. The next part says that the system helps companies make products in a different way, whether they make them in advance after someone places an order, or even when the product needs special design or the customization. Imagine a company that sells computer people can buy in a different way. For example, make to stock, make to order, pull to order, like this way. So I'll discuss the term one by one. Make to stock means make many computer ahead of time and keep them in a warehouse waiting for customer to buy. So example, you walk into the store and buy a ready-made laptop. So this is nothing but an example of make to stock. So organization make many computers ahead of the time. The second point that I want to discuss, that is the make to order. What does that actually mean? It means the organization start building the computer only after you place the order. For example, you order a laptop online and they build it just for you. So this is the example of make to order. Now we'll move to the third point, that is third type of scenario, where pull to order. It means that they assembles your computer using parts they already have only when you order. So like example, picking the pieces from the shelves and build your device. So this is nothing but the pull to order. Now one of the example is configure to order. One of the system is the configure to order. In this case, what happens? The customer, you choose the options like more money for better screen, more money for the better performance, CPU performance, or the more money or more money, it will give you the more RAM or the SSD, and they will build the custom versions. So you are picking your spares and parts and they will assemble it. So this is the configure to order. Now one of the process will be engineer to order. In this case, what happens? You need something very unique and organization design and build it just for you only from the scratch. So this is the engineer to order. So in this case, example, take one example, then it will be easier for you. A special computer for research, specific research purpose, a specific computer for bioinformatics related tasks. Okay, so this type of orders are nothing but the engineer to order. So I hope all the terminology that I have discussed in the beginning of the video it's clear to you. So in the summary, I can say that the system helps business handle all kind of production, from mass producing item to building the custom design products, right? So let me give you the let me read the sentence again so that you can pick up all the pieces and get together in your brain. So one of the benefits of the supply chain management is to optimize manufacturing parameters for each product family, including make to stock, make to order, pull to order, configure to order, and engineer to order. So if you have any problem regarding this particular benefit of supply chain management, you can write it in the comment section. I'll try to explain it in a more easier way if it is specific to your problem. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.